In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails with Systemi.io. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional opt-in page that captures leads and sends them straight to your email list so you can start building relationships and growing your audience. First, log into your System.io account. Once you're in the dashboard, take a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace and that your internet connection is stable. This helps prevent any changes from being lost while you edit. Next, head to the funnels section. If you already have a funnel, open it. Otherwise, you can create a new one. Inside your funnel, add a new step and choose the option dedicated to collecting emails. This tells System.io you want a lead capture page and optimizes the setup for gathering contacts rather than selling a product or hosting a webinar. Give the step a clear name so you can find it easily later. You'll now select a template or start from scratch. Templates are great because they come with proven layouts that convert well and they're fully editable. If you pick a template, preview it on desktop and mobile to make sure it looks clean and loads quickly. If you prefer to start from a blank page, keep your layout simple. A strong headline, a short description, and a form with minimal fields. Fewer fields typically mean higher conversions, so ask only for what you really need. Add an opt-in form to your page if it isn't already included in the template. Customize the headline so it clearly communicates the value of subscribing, and update the call to action button text to be action oriented, like get the guide or join the list. If your audience requires it, add a brief note about privacy or consent to build trust. Make sure your form fields are easy to tap on mobile and that your colors have good contrast for readability. Finally, connect the form to an email list. In your form or page settings, select the email list you want new subscribers to join. This ensures every submission is captured in the right place and ready for your broadcasts or automations. Double check that the correct list is selected and that the action is set to subscribe on form submission. When you're done, save your changes and do a quick test by previewing the page and entering a test email to confirm everything flows correctly. That's it. You've set up a focused email capture step in Systemi.io that's ready to start collecting leads.